Morning guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Wait, parang labo. Because of this COVID pandemic, we have a new normal now. It drastically changed our life. Almost all of our communication is online. So, ngayon, ang mga worship is through Zoom, kahit may mga seminar, interview, kasi nga pinopromote natin yung social distancing para hindi magkahawa-hawa sa COVID. So, I think buying a good webcam is an investment. Actually, yung binili ko is affordable. It's not a well-known brand kasi yung Logitech parang nag-range sa 400, 300 dirhams, which is, I think, it's very expensive. So, yung binili ko, sakto lang. And, let's give it a try kung maganda yung quality. Hello guys, so ito po yung original na camera ng aking MacBook. So, ayan. So, let's unbox our PTZvision Webcam. Thank you for choosing PTZvision Webcam. For support and warranty issues, please feel free to message us via WhatsApp. Then they put their mobile number, along with order ID plus serial number. Our team will assist you shortly. Wow, so it has a stand. Okay, then meron siyang parang gatang support. Goes. Yung webcam natin. Okay. So, it has a USB wire. Pwede natin malagay sa ating laptop. Okay. Then, it has a clip. Okay. It has a clip para pang-clip na lang dun sa my monitor. Or, you have the option to put it in the tripod. So, excited na ako. So, ito is, I think, pang cover. Yeah. If you want to close this, I have to open the cover, then put it like that. Yan. So, naka-close na siya. So, meron po siya dito ng play and pause, then it is a 1080p webcam model W2A. So that's it. Napakasimple lang po ng ating webcam. And let's try it. Okay, so basically ito na po yung setup ng ating webcam. So nilagay ko lang yung webcam sa USB and automatic na siyang gagana. So, no need to install or something like that. So, pwede po siya nakaganyan or pwede rin siyang ilagay dito sa monitor. So, remove lang natin yung tripod. Open natin yung clip. Ayan. So, nakaganyan siya. Ayan. So, di naman siya nalalaglag. So, let's try. So, ayan. Ito na po yung gamit natin, yung PTZ webcam na binili natin. So, ito po yung result. So, as far as I can see, maganda naman yung resolution niya compared doon sa original na webcam ng MacBook ko. And you can also use this as an additional webcam kasi pwede naman siyang dalawahan. So, sa isang angle yung original na webcam ng MacBook and then the other one is yung etong ang bagong bili natin. So, that's it. Thank you for watching.